Okay, so I just uncovered another door. Jamie thought this thing might be two separate little, like little duplex or something, the way it's set up, but it definitely had two doors.
Did not expect a door here. Holy smokes, Kevin. What a surprise, y'all.
Like a duplex.
Huh?
Like a one-room duplex.
No houses just had. This was the sleeping side, and that was the cooking side. I guarantee you. Yep. What did Kevin expose now? I'll have to paint a fake door on that, or get a door and just screw it up there, you know. I hate it that I need the door for over here and over the window.
This definitely.
Yeah. We'll rig something up. I may put shelves right there.
Same thing there. That was a huge ass window, I guess.
A huge what?
A huge window.
Oh, that board gave.
Yeah, all these are huge.
Are they?
There's probably nothing there.
There might be a door there. No, I guarantee that's the other door. That's odd that that's a piece of cedar down there on the bottom. And the rest is just pine. Like a spider thing on the back of it. See up there? Look up there. Where's that tape measure? I bet that's a 36-inch wide door. Shoot, we don't have one out here.
It's in the office.
Darn. That's a wide door. It looks wider at the top than at the bottom. Kevin told me he found something.
So it looks like we just found another window. They cut a hole in the wall for the air conditioner instead of putting it in the window. Not real sure what's going on there, but looks like we can now need 4 windows now.
Same size window as what's in there in the living room. I really would love to put windows back in. Darn. And the door was totally unexpected. So I will probably build shelves over that. Or paint a door. That might be fun. Put trim around it and make it look like a panel door and put a fake knob on it. I don't know. You have to have fun. You have to be creative when life hands you something you didn't expect. I mean, can you imagine having a nice wooden window here that opens? Having you a nice screen door, having you a nice large window here that opens. Yeah. Whole lot of air would come in here. They boarded it all up and went with that. Why would you do that? I don't understand. Coming in here the day after he's pulled this off, it's just so different. Oh, let's get the let's get the wood processed. Look at all this wood, y'all. We're gonna work inside with the air unit running. We're gonna cut off the pieces that are bad and pull nails out of what's good. It'll cut our work time in half and we'll work together to get it done. And you know, we're ready to drop the ceiling in here, but we have to get the wood out. And this wood here, I don't want to have it sitting outside in the weather. I want to be able to cut it off and take it over to cover to stack it, and that's why we're going to process it inside instead of outside like the living room would. It's just a thinner wood. It's just different. I think water would really make it curl up. It's so dry. I just can't believe it. Are we going to put a window in there? Or are we going to leave it? I can strategically place furniture. Like I said, I think I'll build a shelf here. now that pile of wood has been, of course we got one to cut there and I got to de-nail that, has been reduced to, these are decent boards and these pieces here.
Got more out here.
We have a lot more outside that we pulled out the first day. We're fixing to bring them in. Let me show you. Right here. But we're gonna really be disappointed, I think, in the amount of wood we get out of it. It's really sad. But hey, what we have is more than we had before, which was nothing. This is an opportunity for me to decide if I know I need to have a tall shelf somewhere. But anything that's really glass and valuable all on the top where it'll be completely out of the reach of children. I need 41. And I think I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to do a bottom also. Make it a secure box. So I'm going to do 7 shelves at 41. That'll be a lot of storage on it. All right. There's top. Daily to the porch. I have this, it's really hard to get it to hang right too because it's weird. It's a it's off of a thing that hangs. It had an equal, it's a scale. It's a sun. I have it on my porch. I love it. It's a like a sunburst face thing for holding. It had one of these on each side. Well, I didn't like these big cups for where I was hanging it at the other house, so I took them off and I put them in the attic. Well, I lost one of the hangers to put it back together when I had a better place to hang it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hang this here, and then I'm going to put crystals in here. You know what? It may be a little high for kids to see. Kids are going to be the ones that want the crystals. But I thought I would put some of my beautiful little crystals that I have. I have like little clusters and things. And they're just going to keep getting broke and scratched up in this bowl. But I like to let kids pick one, or I used to let kids pick one when they come to my house. But as you can see, I got one good thing started here on the porch, and it's time to call it quits. Kevin's working way too hard and it's way too hot. I just want to say thanks for watching. Until then.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun.